and then what I want to do is I want to smooth this. Smooth these edges. And then I'm going to cut with my tool. This tool will work. This smile out where the teeth are that I did. It should come right off the white. Wouldn't you know it didn't come right off the white. Close enough. There we go. Just blend it right in. And then I'm going to do the lines. There's the lines here for his teeth. Okay. And you can see where the flesh leaves off and the teeth are. And then what you want to do is continuous smile. I have to face myself and give him a little cheek. Okay, so you see what I've got? So I've got the little white teeth here, and I just continued a line with my tool and then drew these little cheek lines, and then same here. Drew a little cheek line. So it looks like he's got his mouth partly open in a kind of a worried smile. Okay? And then we want to continue smoothing this around. It's just real important when you do that. You got to make sure you don't get the shortening on this actual white part here, so you can pull the flesh part off it. Okay. Now what we also need on here is we need his nostrils, his nose parts. So what you got to do is you got to go in the top here, and they're kind of like C's, a C and a backward C. Okay. And then same on the other side. I can't see them, but you get the idea. I'm going to turn them so I can see them. So you just push it in, and I kind of lift it up a little bit, and then bring it around, the point around. You can use a toothpick too, or if you've got those modeling tools, you can use those. Okay, so there you have that. So that's his muzzle. Okay. Now what we want to get going is we want to get his eyes going. So for his eyes, we're going to need white, blue, and chocolate. So for his eyes, I'm going to give him like the teardrop droopy eyes that I usually do. Okay, so I roll a ball, then I roll a cone. Okay, a ball, and then a cone. And then I press it down. And I'll pinch it at the top to get more of a teardrop there. Now, this guy has a little bit of a worried face. So instead of just basic teardrop, this is how I usually do most of my faces. They have these teardrop eyes. I'm actually going to kind of push it in right here. And when you push it in here, you get more of a worried face. Okay, when you push in those sides. Now his eyes look worried. Of course, you're looking at them upside down. So, okay. So now he looks more worried. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to do a blue and a brown on top of that. These were originally 1/2-inch balls, and then I need 3/8-inch balls for the blues. So that helps you with the size that I want each of how big we want the eyes, so 3/8.